Now let's learn how to remove animations on your applications and you can speed up your mobile. Now I open some applications. You can see small animation preview. We can remove this animation preview after we can open our application very fastly. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to accessibility option. In here, click on vision enhancement option. Scroll down this page. After you can see this reduce animations option, enable it and enable this reduce transparency and blur option. Now I click on my mobile home screen button. You can see the applications are going to close very fastly. If I open some applications, they are opening very fastly and they are closely very fastly. I think this feature is very helpful to speed up your mobile.